Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious porridge in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Making this versatile dish is quite simple once you gather the necessary ingredients. The two core components you will always need are Hylian rice and fresh milk. These items are fundamental for any porridge recipe and can be found or bought in many locations across Hyrule. Understanding where to acquire them is your first step towards a warm, comforting meal for Link. Finding your ingredients is a straightforward process. Hylian rice is a staple and can be bought from general stores in bustling settlements like Kakariko Village or Hateno Village. Additionally, if you are exploring the wild, try cutting down tall grass in fields. Hylian rice sometimes drops from these efforts. For fresh milk, head to any general store, particularly in Hateno Village, or keep an eye out in enemy camps and treasure chests during your adventures. Once you have gathered your Hylian rice and fresh milk, the cooking process is quite simple. Locate any cooking pot which are scattered generously across Hyrule. Stand next to the pot, open your inventory, and select the Hylian rice and fresh milk. Then, add one additional ingredient of your choice. This third item is crucial as it determines the specific type and beneficial effects of your final porridge dish. It is an easy way to customize your meal. The true magic of porridge lies in its versatility and the wide array of beneficial effects it can provide. By adding different third ingredients, you can tailor your porridge to suit any situation. For example, a mighty ingredient will significantly boost Link's attack power, while a tough ingredient offers a valuable defense buff. If stealth is your goal, a sneaky ingredient will enhance your ability to move undetected. Feel free to experiment with many combinations to discover your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.